Start.
Hello children, this is the second module of large number. Hope you all well. In this module, we will learn place value of large number and expanded form of large number. In previous lesson, we learned place value and expanded form of 5-digit number and 6-digit number. In this module, we will learn place value of 9 to 10 digit or 7-8 digit number. Even same expanded form of also 7 or 8 digit number or large number. Let's start. One example. I have a number, sir, 25,80,526. So this is how many digit number? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 digit number. First, I need to write the places. This is the ones place. This is the tens place. 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So, you know this thing. We are learning last 6 modules. Places. You know this thing. Now, what is the place value of 6? 6 is in ones place. So, its place value is 6 ones. Okay? What is the place value of 6? 6 is in ones place. So, 6 multiplied by 1 is place value is 6. Now, second, tens place. The second digit is 2. This is 2 is in tens place. So, its place value of 2 tens means its place value is 20. Its place value is 20. Its place value of 6. Next is the number 5 is in 100 place. So, its place value is 500 or 500. So, its place value is 500. Next digit is 0. 0 multiplied by any number is 0. So, its place value is 0. Next, we have a 8 is in 10,000 place. So, its place value is 8 multiplied by 10,000. So, it is 80,000. Its place value is 80,000. Next, we have a digit 5. 5 is in lakhs place. So, its place value is 5 multiplied by lakh. So, it is 5 lakh. You know how to put a comma according to Indian system. Next is last digit. We have a 2. It is in 10 lakhs place. So, its place value is 2 multiplied by 10 lakh. It is 20 lakh. So, this is a way we have to find the place value of each digit. Let's try one more example. So, we have to find the place value of this large number. This is, how many periods are there? There are 4 periods. This is the first period, the ones period, 1000 period, lakh period and crore period. This is a large number. Same number I am going to write. This is the crore period. Then 59 is on lakh period. 03, this is 1000 period. And last is 864 is on ones period. So, this number divided into 4 groups. How to write the place value of each digit? This is 4 is in ones place. So, its place value is 4. 6 is in tens place. 6 multiplied by 10, it is 60. Then 8 is on 100 place. 8 multiplied by 100. First we can write the places also. It's easy to write. This is 1000 and this is 10,000. This is lakh and this is 10 lakh. This is crore and this is 10 lakh. So, this is 8 is in 100 place. So, its place value is 800. Next we have a 3. 3 is in 1000 place. 3 multiplied by 1000. Its place value is 3000. Next, we have a 0. 0 multiplied by any number is 0. So, 0 multiplied by 0 is on which place? 10,000. 0 multiplied by 10,000, answer is 0. Next, we have a 9. 9 is on lakhs place. So, 9 multiplied by lakh. So, it is a 9 lakh. Next, we have 5 is on 10 lakh. 5 multiplied by 10 lakh. So, its place value is 50 lakh. Next number 7 is on crore place. So, 7 multiplied by crore. When you put a comma, no, it is easy to write. So, it is a 7 crore. And last we have a digit 3. So, 3 multiplied by 10 crore. So, it is a 30 crore. So, this is a way we have to write the place value of each digit. Hope you understood how to find the place value of each digit. Next topic is expanded form. What is the expanded form? We need to write the place. First, you have to find the place value of each digit. We know how to find, and then we have to add them. So, this is a expanded. This is a way we have to find the expanded form. Let's start. You know, first is this is the ones place. This is the tens place, 100 place, 1000 place. This is 10,000. This is lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. You know these places. How to write this place value of each digit, you know. So, here, this is the place value of 3. It is in 10 crore place, so it is a 30 crore. Say 1 is in crore place, its a place value is 1 crore. 6 is on 10 lakh place, its place value is 60 lakhs. Next, we have a 7. 7 is in lakhs place, its place value is 7 lakh. After that, 4 is on 10,000 place. So, it is 40,000. After that, we have a 3. 3 is on 1000 place, its place value is 3,000. 9 is in 100 place, its a place value is 900. 2 is in tens place, its place value is 20. And 5 is in ones place, its place value is 5. We have to add this. So, there is a plus sign among the place values. Let's try one more example. This is, we have how many digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a 9 digit number. This is a large number. We have to write in an expanded notation or expanded form. Same rule we have to apply. We have to write the place value of each digit and then we have to add. This is a way we have to find the expanded form. Already we discussed this in a looking back lesson. There was the 5 or 6 digit number. So, this is the expanded form of this number. Next is, this way also you can find the expanded form. 6 is in ones place, so I wrote 6 plus this is the remaining number and then instead of 0. Like this you can also find this, or simple method, this is a 6 is in ones place, so 6 you write, then 2 is on tens place, 2 multiplied by 10 is 20, then 5 is on 100 place, so direct 500, or you can write 5, you write to the 5, how many digits are there? 2 digits, so put 2 zeros. Then I have a 0 plus 0 Next is I have a 8. 8 is in 10,000 place. So 8 after 8 means right to the 8. How many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need to put 4 zeros on 8. Okay. Next is I have a 5. The 5 up 5 to how many digits are there to the 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 zeros on 5. So this is a 5. And last I have a 2. Right to the 2. How many digits are there? Right to the 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have to put 6 zeros on 2. So this is a 20 lakh. This is the way you have to write the expanded form. Next is a compact form. The expanded form is given. You have to write in a compact form. First, you need to write the places. You know, ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1,000 place, 10,000. And this is a ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. Okay. So this is a lakh and 10 lakh. In a ones place, I have a 9. In tens place, I have a 2. 100 place, I have a 6. 1,000 place, I have a 4. 10,000, I have a 2. 10,000, I have a 2. Then, after that, lakh place, I have a 8. And 10 lakh, I have a 7. This is the way we have to write this number in a compact form. Expanded form is given. You can write in a compact form. Or you can add this number in vertical manner. You will get the answer like this. But this is a shortcut method. See this number, same number I added in a vertical form. This is 70 lakhs. Everything I wrote in a vertical form. You will get the answer. Same answer you will get. 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 6 is 6. 0 plus 4 is 4. And then 2, 8 and 7. Same number we got previous slide. I showed this is how to write in a compact form shortcut method. This is the you can add the in a vertical number. This is also known as short form of the number. Let's try one more example. Here, first we need to write the places. This is ones place, tens place, 100 place, 1,000 place, 10,000, then lakh and 10 lakh. Here is, this is 1,000, then this number is bigger, large number. This is the ones period, 1,000 period, lakh period and crore period. So here is also crore also is there, 10 crore. So how to write this number? In a ones place I have a 5, tens place I have 7, 100 place I have a 3, 1,000 place I have a 9, and see 10,000 place is missing, so I need to put a 0. And lakhs place I have a 4, 10 lakh I have a 7, and crore period also 0. Crore place there is no number for crore, so I need to put a 0. And last is in a 10 crore I have a 5. This is the way I have to write this number in a compact form and put a comma according to Indian system. So this is a way 50 crore. How to read this number? 50 crore. This is a crore period. 50 crore 74 lakh 9,378. This is the way we have to write the number in a compact form or short form or standard form. So this is a set practice for you. easy practice for you. First question, write the place value of each digit. There are two problems are there. Next, second question, you have to write the number in expanded. This is a large number, you know this is a 8-digit, 9-digit number. So, you have to write this number in expanded form. And third question, expanded form is given, you have to write in a compact form or short form. Hope you understood. Thank you. Take care.